So basically, what is tech? When you're coming to tech, what does it mean? Yeah. So I wrote here, tech is simply using technology to solve problems. That's the basic definition. It's not just coding. Tech is not just about you building a landing page, about you coding. Because most of the time, when you think about tech, we're trying to think about developers, people that type, people that write codes, people that do programming, almost anything. Yeah, so we see them more as the tech pros, and we designers are just tech supports, are just assisting them. Yeah, but using technology to solve problems is when you become tech enabled. That's where tech is. So whatever it is, so you're a designer, you're in tech, you're a developer, front back end, wherever you are, you're in tech. Yeah, so a developer is not more tech than you are. I mean, when you're designing for developers, yeah, you are not drawing it, you're not sketching it on paper and then giving it to developers and say, okay, develop this. Yeah, you don't sketch it on paper, get like 10 A4 paper, sketch the home page, sketch the landing page, sketch the button states, maybe use crayon to color the buttons, write the button name on the button, and then give them the paper. Then they start coding what is sketched. You're on Figma, you're on XD, you're on whatever tool you are using. Yeah, and you are designing it completely, handing it over to them, and also monitoring them. You have to monitor your developers, you understand it. Yeah, so basically that's it. You're in a tech ecosystem by just being a designer. Yeah, nobody's more tech than you are. Yeah, developers might look more cool, especially in movies. Like, I mean, I don't think you don't really see UI designers or UI UX designers in movies. Everybody always goes straight to code. Like everybody's hacking. Suddenly everybody knows how to hack into NASA. Everybody knows how to hack into Pentagon. Yeah, so that's when you think of tech, that's what you're thinking most times. Yeah, but most times tech starts with you.